He had it solved. We need the cube. Where is it at? Over here somewhere. Ooh. Alright, it started.
Okay, this is one of the many attempts I made to try to solve this cube.
Look how the camera's focusing at this cube right now. It's so good. My bad. Alright, try to say something.
So I tried to get all the white at the top and stuff, and so to get this one up here, I'm gonna try to do some kind of flip motion like that.
Trying to get the white.
I gotta get this one
to that middle.
So I got to
like
do
that.
this and flip it all the way back like that, and then put this one back right here.
Yep.
So.
Oh, actually, my friend Andrew has a Rubik's Cube.
Really?
Yeah. He bring it to school. Teacher didn't say anything. It was like the start of class, so yeah, it was like free time, and Andrew was playing it, so yeah, and he looked like a pro. He had it solved once we got to class.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. He got it solved.
Was it solved when he got there, or did you watch him solve it?
No, he got there solving it. He got there solved.
Okay.
He got there solved. And then he messed it up. And then after that, he solved it again.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I need to meet this Andrew kid because
yeah.
If he could teach me what to do, because I'm so
he's smart.
Yeah,
he is smart. He gets bullied, but he's smart. So
maybe kids are jealous, but that's wrong of them to bully them.
Yeah.
Because I always get stuck on the same stuff.
Yesterday he was talking about the computer and how it can get damaged. So yeah, he's smart.
Okay, so I got these in place. I got these in place. I need to get this one to go right here. So I'm gonna do like that. And then I'm gonna need to get them back right there. So I'm gonna do like that. Did the other one stay? No, it moved. It moved back. So I need to pay attention to where all my blocks are first of all.
Okay.
Because I always put it back like that, but then the one I just did is moved again.
Mm-hmm.
So. Oh my. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So we got the white, right?
Now I got the white again.
You just need to solve it.
And I lost my blue. There's my blue.
There's blue. Alright. So I guess we gotta move some things to get it right again. Blue. So.
Oh, how about this? Wait. Oh no, totally messed it up right there.
Okay, yeah. Oh my goodness, okay. Where's the other white? Oh, right, it's all. Okay.
So now I got my green in position and I got my white back. But I lost my blue and red. Which is probably here. Yep, same thing. Let me try going up with it, down.
Yeah.
And then try going... Shoot. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I don't know. What this?
Mom's messing up. My mom's messing up big time. I'm messing up big time.
Jeez.
Oh. Wait. Okay, I got my white back.
Okay.
Now let me line up my sides. I got red right here. I'm all messed up. I just...
That's not.
This cube here is just a trip. Oh no, look, my white's in the wrong spot. So to
The
do
white
that,
is soft.
I would do like this and get them back right. And then I'll have my colors right. There's a trick to it and I hadn't figured it out yet. That's the problem. There's a trick to it and I hadn't figured it out yet. So,
There's a trick.
no, I gotta put this one here.
It's not figured out yet. The
like
trick
this.
has not figured out yet.
I'm gonna do like this.
So
Then I'm gonna do like this, and then I'm gonna do like this, and I should have my blue, my white. See, that's back. That's good. And to get that, no. I'm not fully thinking. That's my problem. I don't know the trick to do this. I've been hoping for years now that I would learn it.
Don't worry about that whole.
Getting somewhere. So now
Okay.
back where I was a while ago.
Goodness. Wow. Just
wait. Let's do.
Are we gonna keep going back?
This. Okay. I've got that part almost fully solved. And then if I try to get that like that, what about that? Did I solve it?
So
Almost.
I mean,
not really. Close. Not bad. Not bad. Wow, that's pretty smart. Smart, huh?
Smart.
It's pretty smart. So, get this here. I have to turn.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Where's my blue? Get my blue there, I gotta do something like this. Boom.
Okay.
You getting hot tea? You wanna come in? Okay, he wants to come in the house. Bad dog. Bad dog. Maybe Andrew can teach me one day how to do something.
One day Andrew will teach you.
Yeah.
One day.